Welcome to Rimetea. You've just arrived in Rimetea, a quiet village tucked into the mountains of Transylvania. Everything feels slower here. The air is crisp, the streets are calm, and life moves with intention. It's the kind of place that doesn't need to speak loudly to be heard. Walking through the past. As you stroll through the village, you'll see whitewashed homes with green shutters, each with its own quiet story. Many of these houses are over a century old, still lived in by families who've been here for generations. It's not a museum. It's a living place, preserved but never frozen in time. A village that breathes. The center of Rimetea is peaceful. Locals sit at wooden tables, enjoying meals and mountain views. You'll hear the soft sounds of birds, footsteps on cobblestone, and maybe the gentle flow of spring water nearby. Every corner invites you to pause and just be. Hidden corners and quiet surprises. Wander a bit deeper and you'll find hidden courtyards, old watermills, and relics of village life that feel untouched by the rush of the modern world. Even the small things, a hanging lantern, an old pair of boots, feel like they've been waiting for you to notice them. Staying a little longer. If you choose to stay the night, guest houses here welcome you with warmth and simplicity. Home-cooked food, handmade blankets, and windows that open to mountain views. It's everything you didn't know you needed. Nothing rushed, nothing loud, just quiet comfort. A view you'll never forget. Just outside the village, a trail leads you to an old fortress. The climb is gentle, but the view from the top is something else entirely. You see Rimetea from above, peaceful, nestled in green, timeless. And for a moment, everything feels still, the feeling you take with you. Rimetea doesn't try to impress you. It welcomes you gently, with stillness, beauty, and space to breathe. And when you leave, you don't just take photos, you take peace. If this video brought you a little closer to that feeling, hit like, subscribe, and come along for more quiet places like this. Thanks for being here.